let's show you some methods to recover Qt wallets in a virtual environment. But first, we gotta get the wallet. We're doing this in the Windows of 11 for no particular reason. So let's go to Meowcoin.lol and it's going to redirect to Meowcrypto.com. We're going to go to the Mew wallet. The MEWC wallet, and we're going to click on Meowcoin for wallet for Windows, and it's going to download, because this would be a very short video if it didn't. So we're going to set up the wallet now. Let's open it up, extract it, go to the folder and run the Meowcoin-Qt. We're going to run anyways. Windows is trying to protect us, or at least thinks it's trying to protect us. We're going to use the default data directory and click OK there. We're going to generate a seed phrase, and we're going to copy that to a text file because we're going to use it to recover this wallet later. After we import it, we're going to type in a super secret password called password. We're going to confirm that when we figure out how to type password because it's so difficult. Alright, it's connecting, it's syncing, I'm editing, everything is right in the world. Alright. We sped up a little bit, and I put in the wallet address, the wallet password, and the private key. But how do we get the private key? First, we have to unlock our wallet by typing wallet passphrase, space password, space, and then the time to leave the wallet unlocked. Then we're going to type in dump priv key, space, our address of the wallet, and it's going to give us our private key. Just to note, this can possibly work for many, if not all, of the large swath of Qt wallets that are out there. To do the first method, we need to back up the wallet. So let's open up the wallet. And we're going to go to the wallet and say backup wallet. And we're going to save it to the documents folder. Once it's saved, we're going to close the wallet. And we're going to delete the current wallet file from its location and recover it with the file we just backed up. So let's get rid of the Wallet.Dat and copy our wallet we backed up from the documents folder. I could have made it easier and just called it wallet, but I like to make things difficult because why do anything easy? Just like using Windows 11. Let's rename it and call it Wallet.Dat. Once that's done, we can open up the wallet, and to prove that it is working, we can actually go to unlock the wallet. And if we put our password in there and it works, then we're good to go with our wallet data. Okay, the next method. Cover the wallet with our seed phrase. Alright, let's delete the Wallet.Dat file and open up the Meowcoin Qt. And we're going to take our seed phrase that we have in our document here. I'm going to copy and paste that directly into the import recovery phrase and click import. And we're going to put in a password. And we should be totally good to go. Next method. Recover the wallet with a private key. So we go to Tools, Debug window to pull the console, and then we're going to try to import the private key. But it's going to error out. And this is just to show you for a reason, right? What's the reason, you ask? Well, it's coming up. Hit enter. It's telling me that you can't recover it anymore with your seed phrase if you do this. It didn't work because the wallet is not unlocked. So now we need to unlock the wallet with our phrase, put in the password, which is super secret, and the time to leave the wallet unlocked. Then we're going to type in import private key, and then we're going to paste in our private key. If we know how to do simple things. And click OK, and we're done. Once again, thanks for the watchings. When you're here before, couldn't look you in the eyes. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so very special, but I'm a creep. I'm a